Hello everyone! Today, let's walk through a complete demo of VisualLogic. First of all, VisualLogic is an online editor. Simply enter our URL in your browser, and you'll arrive at our home page. From here, just click the Start for Free button. After clicking, you'll be redirected to our online editor. Click the Sign In or Sign Up button here. You can sign in directly with your Google account. Click to confirm the authorization, and you'll be redirected to the workspace. Now, let's go to the App Generation input box here. This is where you enter your requirements. You can run it step by step, or click Run All to execute everything at once. Let's go ahead and run the complete generation process. While it's running, if you want to check the progress, you can switch from the Components tab to the VL Files tab. In this directory, you can see which files are currently being generated. The system generates files according to our predefined workflow. You'll notice that the initial steps run sequentially. Once the UI map planning is complete, the following steps switch to parallel execution. This makes generation much faster. After the UI map is generated, all remaining steps run in parallel. You can see multiple requests being sent simultaneously. It's incredibly fast, roughly 5 seconds, and the entire application is generated. Once complete, it's automatically imported into our editor. Now we can directly view the result. The generated application is fully WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get. You can see the entire structure in the object tree. Let's collapse the AI panel by clicking the arrow in the lower right corner. Now we can see, for example, this button that was generated. Click on it, and it's also highlighted in the object tree. All properties can be flexibly adjusted right here. Everything can be previewed in real time. Click the preview icon at the top. Here we can type in some memos. Click Add, and it's added successfully. Let's add another one. Done. We can also delete items. For example, if we don't need this one, we can delete it. All properties can be adjusted flexibly. For instance, let's say we don't want this button to be red anymore. We can simply change its color. Here, let's change this delete button's color to orange. All changes take effect immediately. We can preview and see the result instantly. All the logic is also clearly visible. When clicked, it triggers the delete action and passes the current item's ID. When the delete icon is clicked, this action is executed. It sends the ID to our delete service. After that, it reloads the data. That completes the current action sequence. As you can see, the front end and back end are completely separated. The back-end logic is in a separate services module. We can click here to view its details directly, including the preview data from the back-end. Everything is displayed intuitively. This includes back-end actions and service configurations, all clearly visible. Besides manual fine-tuning, you can also use our AI tools for larger adjustments. Simply enter your requirements here. For example, I find it tedious to delete memos one by one. I want to clear all memos at once, so I'll enter my requirement. Add a button to clear all memos. Then click the Analyze and Adjust button. Once the adjustment is complete, the editor refreshes. Now you can see there's a new Clear All button. Let's preview and test it. First, let's add a new memo to test with. Now click Clear All. You can see it confirms that all data has been cleared. Let's also check the backend services. The backend data has been cleared as well. Once you've finished testing and debugging, click the Publish button here. This publishes your app as a live web application. Click Build to complete the process. Now you have a URL that's ready to share with users.